that. Oh, he's given him out. I'm not sure where this is pitched. That's the first thing that goes through my mind. Where it pitches, and that's what... Out. Oh, down, no. We haven't seen everything, Haydos. We haven't. That is hit well. He met that half volley with such good time. Another boundary to Maxwell through mid-wicket. He's decided it might be his night, and it's been triggered.
Slices out at Maxwell, jogs through, it pitches and it's 450 for Glenn Maxwell. His third in a World Cup, his 24th in one-day international cricket. And straight into the gap from Maxwell. When he's on, he just seems to do it so easily. High, close to the rope, over again, 2 in a row from Maxi. Oh, beaten. Another boundary, but beaten all ends. This time he goes high, he goes straight, he goes long, does Maxwell. From Maxwell, his second of this World Cup. Can he rescue Australia? Again he gets the length he's after, and again he punches it to the fence. And for the first time, it's under.
That is sweet. The boundaries might be small here, but he's hitting it so sweet it doesn't matter. Well, if you're going to give him that line and length, all he has to do is stand and swing. That's not going to be difficult from his point of view.
Oh, that was bowling him for all man, and he's got it down there for 4. Astonishing stuff. Oh my goodness gracious me. He got into position so quickly. My goodness me. Where do you get that from? This is not natural. That's gone way back. Way back. Maxwell into the 180s.